Say I've got a workshop coming Wednesday, and I don't have it all figured out. A room full of voices, expectations, and I'm carrying the weight of it now. I just need help to shape the thinking before the conversation starts. And you're already listening, meeting me right where we are. You start with the questions that matter: vision, mission, lines in between, things I feel but can't always say out loud. You turn them into something I can see. A canvas opens, clean and open, space to tell the truth, no noise. You give my thoughts a structure without taking away my voice. And I don't say it, but I feel it. This moment's bigger than before. You take the pressure I've been holding and put it somewhere shrouded on the floor. This is what direction feels like, when the noise finally makes sense. Every line, every voice, that's a line, nothing wasted, nothing left. Clear vision, steady ground, everybody knows it now. Real alignment, real momentum, yeah, you help me lead this out. We pull the history into focus, wins and gaps we never faced. Messages, files, the patterns forming, things I knew but couldn't trace. Strengths we lean on, edges showing, no judgment in what you say, just honest signals on the table so we can move the right way. And I don't feel like I'm guessing or carrying this alone. You make the highlight conversations feel safe enough to be sure. This is what direction feels like, when the noise finally makes sense. Every line, every voice, that's the line, nothing wasted, nothing left. Clear vision, steady ground, everybody knows it now. Real alignment, real momentum, yeah, you help me lead this out. Show me the platform capabilities and you lay it all out clean. Slackbot agents, trust in data, everything working in between. Language models, grounding